All right, so we left off with this little error, and again, this is one of these ones that I don't have any idea what's going on here. Let's see if we can figure it out though. So I'm going to trace through this whole method. I'm going to put a stop up here on the delete side, making sure we're getting the right record and all the included information. So we go to the wait list, we edit, or sorry, delete this last record. And so we've hit this and it's gotten the int 9. So we know we've got the right record. It's going to load up that record to delete. And if we look at this, it's going to have all the information for George Michael Bluth. Okay, so we go into the view. And you can say continue at that point because I've got another stop in there. And then I actually want to delete. And when I do, and I did that too quickly maybe, but it doesn't have any of the information for that application at all. First name, last name, none of the information tied to that form. Now I did in my notes, you'll recall that I had in there on the post of the delete form, ASP action equals, well, ASP controller equals home, and ASP action equals delete. Let's see what happens when I add that in and see if past self was right on that. And I'm going to give myself a big neener because it was in my notes. So view the wait list. Let's delete George Michael Bluth, delete, and we get here and let's take a look at the application. Nope, still blank. So that's obviously not it. Okay, neener, old self. I didn't need that in there. But the post method is not getting our information in. It's getting the first name and last name, so it's getting loaded up okay. But none of the information is in the form. That's a good point. That's a good point, present self. How are we going to post this if none of the information is actually in the form? And why did I do it the way I did it? So, I mean, I'm printing out the model first name and last name, but I'm just focused in on this method post. Before, our dilemma is we need that primary key to identify what it is that we were doing when we were deleting or updating, an entry from that wait list. And so what I'm thinking is that we may want to take that same strategy and input type equals hidden, but then say ASP4. The ASP4 in this case is going to be for our ID, which is the application ID, and that way it has the primary key of that data. Let's see if we need all of it or if just having that primary key will populate that form. So I'm going to rerun this. All right, so delete, and we get here. Let's take a look and see what's in that data. So it's got the application ID. Let's run it. Oh, and it deleted it. Okay, so that's the piece I was missing. I'm going to go back in time and slap my old self for leaving that little line out. We need to have as part of the form. Now you could put all of it, but that much of it will get the ID. That's the primary key. It'll pull up the form. So now I can go in and delete these others, and it should work for me as I have this application. Delete, and now it seems to be functioning normal. So there is our delete function. And there is our CRUD functionality. So we've now got all aspects. We can enter records by going to a dating application, entering a new record. So we can create. We can see the wait list, although we don't have an option here to do that. We can see the wait list, which is our reading of the records, the R. We can update by doing an edit and editing the information, and we can delete records by doing a delete. And so anyway, we've got all those different functionalities of a very basic, normal, what I refer to as bread and butter app in .NET. All right, so then we'll go from here, continuing to learn kind of bread and butter, but then throwing some new things in and building on this core knowledge that you have, or at least that you're building in .NET so far. How these actions work, how they interact, how we can pass information back and forth, and do the things that we need to do. And so good foundation is what we're looking for to move on now to other things. All right, there is one other thing I want to show you in this set of videos, and we will do that in the next video. Spencer, out.